In today's episode, we're going to talk about the 3 reasons you need a website, even if you think you're busy enough. So put 3 minutes on the clock and let's get straight into it. So why have a website? Now at Expert Trades, we've built over 300 websites in the last 2 years for trades professionals just like yourself. Now the reason I mention that is because we hear every excuse under the sun to why you guys don't need a website. They look a little bit like this.
It's just not a worthwhile investment.
I'm busy enough.
I win all my work through word of mouth.
So whether you get a website from ourselves, and because you're a Baxi customer, you get a discount, here are the 3 reasons you need to get a website in 2018. Reason number 1 is what happens when I Google your business name. No, go ahead, pause this video, go and put your business name into Google and see what comes up if you don't yet have a website. Here's what comes up: one of your competitors. There's 2 reasons why you need to make sure you own your own website. When you go and put a quote into a customer, what they are going to do, regardless of whether it came through a good network or a referral, is they're going to put your company name into Google to learn a little bit more about you. You need to make sure you show up with a professional website. Secondly, if you don't show up, one of your competitors are, and you're at risk of losing that job. Number 2 is it's something that you own. Now, I don't know what your goals are with your business, but a website is an asset like anything else. Whether it's the vans or the tools, it's something that is valuable. So as you build your business and this thing grows with you, if you ever decide to sell your business in the future or pass it down, it's something that is valuable and an asset. And for the amount of money you spend to get one, it's going to be worth a lot more in the future. And number 3 is probably what you care about the most, is it's going to win you work. Even if you are busy at the moment, we all get those quiet times. So a website, when done properly, will win you work and keep that money coming in. So they're the 3 reasons you need to think about getting yourself a website in 2018. Now, if you've got any questions or want to find out what your discounts are, courtesy of Baxi, email baxi@experttrades.com and one of the team here will be more than happy to help.